Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to format number list in Word 1.1.1 2.1.3. Let's get started. First we have to open a new Word document. Now we write some country name. Now we select some country name. Then go to the home menu and click multi-level list and choose a multi-level list. Then select this country and click increase indent. Now we see India country is 1.1.1 2.1.3. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.